Hey guys, it's Lightning J, and we are doing a Beyblade battle this time between Kerbeaus K4, or really, technically the full name is Guardian Kerbeaus, and then Blizzard X Gainon G4, just Blizzard Gainon, really. We're gonna battle. It's gonna be a quick first to 5 points. We're gonna be keeping score. We're gonna battle them in battering mode first. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Let it rip. Ooh, nice. Ooh. If Gainon isn't careful, he's gonna lose all his stamina. Ooh, the score is 1-0 for Kerbeaus. Now we're gonna switch things up. We're gonna put our boys in a slingshot mode. Well, this one's kind of fine the way it is. But let's get started. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Let it rip. Oh, come on. I can get this. Kerbeaus, if you had to get another win, score 2-0. Let's get this started. Come on, let's go. Yo, Gainon getting those hard shots in. Ooh, it's a tie. The score is tied. Let's go. Oh wow, it's intense. Another point. 3-0. Alright, we're gonna switch it back to battering mode. He loses like all his stamina once he gets to the middle. It's pretty hard for attack types to deal with going to the center. It just has that little dip. Alright, another point. You know what? We gotta make this interesting. If we're gonna end off the battle for Kerbeaus, because he might get that last point, let's be honest. We're going for slingshot battles here. So let's go. Okay, I'm not counting that. We can't be having that. No. If you're gonna make no contact, defeats the purpose of the battle. Come on, Gainon. Gainon, you got this. It's a tie. Okay, this might be our final battle of the video. Come on, buddy. Gotta stay in slingshot mode. Okay, just check to make sure it's not stuck. Oh, Kerbeaus is just too fast. Jeez, the stadium sure is giving the camera a hard time. And our boy Kerbeaus wins it for the day. Yep, this guy is the one to beat. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to like and subscribe and all that. And with that, I will end it off.